Imagine a world without any electronic devices. This is what will happen once we run out of non-renewable energy resources, like fossil fuels. But there is another solution. We can use solar energy. What is solar energy? Well, solar energy is when light from the sun is converted into thermal or electrical energy. Where does it work best? Well, anywhere with plenty of sunlight and open space. Solar panels work great in an open field, and they can also be used on the roof of your house. Collectors need plenty of space to collect enough energy to be useful.
Well, how much does it cost to install your very own solar panels? Overall, it would cost about $15,000 to $40,000, including installation fees. If you were to break that down, it would cost about $6 to $8 per watt. Well, what's a watt? A watt is a unit of measurement for power, just like joules is used to measure electricity.
How does it work? There are three main ways to capture solar energy: photovoltaic devices, PV, solar heating and cooling technologies, SHC, and concentrating solar power plants, CSP. Photovoltaic generate electricity directly from sunlight via an electronic process that occurs naturally in semiconductors. Electrons in these materials are freed by solar energy and can be induced to travel through an electrical current, powering electrical devices or sending electricity to the grid. Solar heating and cooling technologies collect thermal energy from the sun and use this heat to produce hot water, space heating, cooling, and pool heating for residential, commercial, and industrial applications.
CSP plants put to the use of mirrors to work by concentrating the energy from the sun on engines that produce electricity. These technologies displace the need to use electricity or natural gases, which significantly reduces our dependence on imported fuel. Solar energy is renewable, and the sun gives us enough energy to power the earth for a year in just 1 hour.
Unfortunately, all this energy is hard to collect, as the sun spreads out all the energy of a large area. Solar energy is also very expensive to install, but once you install it, it requires little maintenance. Solar energy also requires a lot of space and fields to make the energy useful, so there is a problem with habitat loss. The only other thing to complain about is that people don't like how it looks. Comparing these negatives to other energy sources, you start to like solar energy more and more. Fossil fuels, solar energy is renewable. And unlike nuclear fusion, it does not produce nuclear waste. Overall, solar energy is a great renewable energy source, and more people should invest in using solar energy.